eating plant food as their parents do. In about 2 years, they are grown up. Most baby bears are born in winter. They stay in their mother's den and they sleep and drink a lot of milk. The mother brings them out when they are a few months old. They hunt for other food. When bears are about 2 years old, they are able to look after themselves. A baby elephant has a woolly coat. Two grown-up elephants do not have woolly coats. Elephants are not fully grown until they are about 20 years old.
Little baby crying.
Our baby mothers and sisters need help. They need someone to feed them, dress them, and carry them, and keep them happy. Most of us need our parents until we are grown up. They give us food, clothing, and a home. Parents teach us many things and send us to school. They love us and we need that. We love them too. Some baby animals drink milk. The babies you have been reading about depend on milk for food. When they are very young, their mother's bodies make milk out of some of the food they eat. The milk is stored in milk glands. The babies nurse the milk from the milk glands. Some baby animals do not drink milk. Some kinds of babies do not drink milk. Their fathers and mothers hunt for food for them. Tiny robins have almost no feathers. When they get feathers, they are about 11 days old. Baby geese are called goslings. Goslings have down on their bodies when they get hatched. They get feathers later. Their mothers teach baby geese to swim. Then they learn how to find food too. Robins and geese are alike in a special way. They both get feathers. Can you think of another way? Did you think of wings? Did you think of beaks? Did you say that they are birds? Some baby animals take care of themselves. Baby alligators and crocodiles hatch from eggs and can take care of themselves as soon as they are hatched. They will probably never see their mothers or fathers. Turtles hunt for food soon as they are hatched. They will probably never see their fathers or mothers. Young insects find food for themselves. Baby fish hunt their own food too. Some baby animals change a great deal as they grow up. A baby frog does not look like a frog. When it's hatched, it's called a tadpole. Tadpoles can live only in water. A tadpole loses its tail and gets legs and grows up.
Whoa.
As soon as it... What?
Can you reach it?
Got it. A baby frog.
We survived.
A tadpole loses its tail and gets legs and grows up. It also loses its gills and gets lungs. Then it becomes a cat. Then it can live on land. A very young butterfly does not look like a grown-up butterfly. And it is a caterpillar. Soon it will make a chrysalis about itself inside the chrysalis and will change into a grown-up. All baby animals come from big animals like themselves. Some animals lay eggs. Each egg has a small cell inside of it. The egg cell may grow into a baby animal. Eggs come in different sizes and colors. Ostrich eggs are very big. They're as big as 12 chicken eggs. Baby ostrich is about as big as a mother hen.
Wow.
A young hummingbird's egg is very small. It's no bigger than a pea.
No bigger than a pea?
A green pea.
That's what I was thinking.
Think about how small the baby hummingbird must be. All birds lay eggs. Inside the egg, this is a tiny egg cell. There is food and space filled with air inside the egg too.